The V-BAT combat drone, developed by US-based defense tech company Shield AI, has recently made headlines in India due to a major defense collaboration. The drone, known formally as the Shield AI MQ-35 V-BAT, is a cutting-edge VTOL UAV with a ducted fan design that allows it to take off and land vertically like a helicopter, but transition into horizontal flight like a fixed-wing aircraft. This hybrid design makes it ideal for operations in confined or rugged areas where traditional runways are unavailable. The drone is lightweight, portable, and easy to deploy, requiring just a two-person team to assemble and launch it within 20 minutes. Key features include endurance, 8 to 12 hours of flight time, range, operational range of over 150 kilometers, payload capacity, around 11 kilograms for ISR, which stands for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, or electronic warfare equipment. Autonomy, powered by Shield AI's HiveMind AI system, capable of GPS-denied, fully autonomous flight. What sets the V-BAT apart is its combat-proven record, especially highlighted by its effective use by Ukrainian forces against Russian tanks during the Ukraine conflict. The drone was deployed deep behind enemy lines, performing intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, also known as ISR, precision strikes, and target tracking of armored vehicles. Why is it in the news in India? For India, the V-BAT's modular payload and AI-driven navigation systems promise versatile application, from frontline infantry and special forces missions to armored and artillery unit support. Its compact design allows deployment by a two-person team with takeoff within 20 minutes. So the ongoing deal includes India acquiring V-BAT drones under a $4.5 billion emergency procurement initiative, along with a landmark $90 million joint venture between Shield AI and Indian conglomerate JSW Defense. This joint venture involves, full technology transfer, which means India will be able to locally manufacture, assemble, maintain, and upgrade the drones. JSW Defense is really investing heavily in workforce training and setting up a production facility that meets global standards. This collaboration aims not just to equip the Indian Air Force with advanced drone capabilities, but also to establish India as a global manufacturing hub for V-BAT systems. This represents a strategic shift for India's defense acquisitions, from pure import to co-development and indigenous production, which aligns perfectly with the country's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative for self-reliance in defense technology. The V-BAT drones, with their battlefield-proven capabilities and operational flexibility, could significantly enhance India's surveillance and strike capacities, especially along those contested border regions. In summary, the induction of the V-BAT drone through domestic manufacturing marks a significant leap in India's drone warfare capabilities. This partnership not only strengthens national security, but also opens doors for export potential and future co-development of high-end defense platforms. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.